Here's some questions that go along with this table, and of course we already filled it out, and we showed the work to fill it out, and it was great here. But it does say how many females total were surveyed. Let's go ahead and figure this one out. I'm going to start here. Well, this females total right there, 275. 275 females. Let's go and label this because it is a word problem. How many people surveyed eat breakfast regularly? So this is eat breakfast regularly, this row. It didn't say anything about the gender, it's just total there, 300. So I'm going to say 300, I guess people, could say students. How many total people were surveyed? Well, that's the total of totals. That's the 595 there at the bottom right. So 595 people surveyed. How many males surveyed do not eat breakfast? So we're looking at males, do not eat breakfast. Boom, 130. Males is a shorter label on this one, so I'm going to put males. How many females surveyed eat breakfast regularly? Okay, so females that eat breakfast regularly, that's 110 right there. So 110 females. What percentage of the total number of people surveyed eat breakfast regularly? Okay, it's a percentage of the total number of people surveyed. So that's out of 595 right there. So I'm going to make this a fraction, then just change it into a percentage. 595 people total, and the total number of people that eat breakfast regularly, it shows, was 300. So I got 300 over 595. I'm just going to put this in the calculator. 300 divided by 595, enter. It's almost 50%. I got 0.50420168. I'm just going to make it round to the nearest 10th percent. 50.4% of people eat breakfast regularly from the survey. What percentage of the females surveyed eat breakfast regularly? Well, let's see, females surveyed eat breakfast regularly. So there's 275 females that eat or that were surveyed, and of those 275, there are 110 that eat breakfast regular. So there's 110, and just putting this in my calculator, I got 0.36 repeating actually, so that'd be 36 point, round to the nearest tenth of a percent, 36.4%. What percentage of people who eat breakfast regularly are male? So let's look at people that eat breakfast regular. There's 300 people. How many of those, of the people that eat breakfast are male? There's 190 right there. So taking this into a decimal, I really put 19 over 30, but that's 0.63 repeating, which comes out as 63.3%. Rounded to the nearest tenth anyways. And then finally, much to our chagrin, what percentage of the total number of people surveyed are females who do not eat breakfast regularly? So looking at total number of people surveyed, so as a fraction, that's 595 there in the denominator. But we want to know are females who do not eat breakfast regularly. So not only female, but do not eat breakfast regular, that's 165 from the 2A table. So 165 divided by 595, enter. I get 0.277310924, which rounds to 27.7%. So 27.7% of the people surveyed are females who do not eat breakfast regularly.